2 crimes I'd like you to avoid committing when you conduct meetings at work. Number 1, if you are presenting in that meeting, please avoid crafting slides with too much text in them, so much so that you only end up reading the text throughout your presentation, right? Meetings are supposed to be discussions, conversations, and debates. They're not a passive session for listening to someone else's thoughts. If this was your plan, then what you should have done instead is to craft the presentation, send it to us via email. We will read it offline, and we will get back to you if ever we have questions. It only ends up wasting people's time. Number 2, please end on time. I am not gonna adjust if you end up extending for 5 or 15 or 20 more minutes because I have also other meetings to attend. Here's the sad part. When a meeting does not end on time or when a meeting needs to get cut short, it ends up asking for another schedule of meeting because people were not able to make decisions.